Hey y'all, quick video showing you how to make store-bought potato salad taste better. So I got the kind with mustard in because I like mustard in my potato salad. Yeah, so I didn't feel like making any homemade because this comes in handy when you're in a hurry and like if you only want, oh, my light fell. And if you only want like one serving, yeah. So you're gonna go in with some celery seed. Just a little, you don't want them getting stuck in your teeth. Then you're gonna go in with some dill weed. Also 1 minute because I forgot. Paprika. And I'm not going to put any salt in because salt comes in seasonings, sodium anyway. So that's what it's going to look like. Just going to mix it up. I'm telling you, this is a quick fix for a container of store-bought potato salad. And like I said, I like mustard in mine. I don't mind that it seems to be a lot in here because it's very yellow. But mustard is good for inflammation in your body, which I suffer from chronic inflammation. Anyway, not on that topic. We're going to stick with the food. So, see? Quick and easy. Let's give it a taste. Oh my goodness. I could just eat this by itself, but I'm gonna make some chicken and something else with it. So get yourself a store-bought container and zhuzh it up with whatever seasonings you like. What's better for me is celery seed, paprika, and dill weed. I'm telling you, it's gonna taste like homemade. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.